This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete multiple text messages on iPhone. So if you have a conversation with lots of text messages and now you are wondering how to delete multiple text messages from the conversation, follow these simple and easy steps to do it. Open the Messages apps and open the specific conversation. Now tap and hold any of the message. Then tap on More, and then you will be able to select multiple messages. Then all you have to need, just tap on this recycle bin icon at the bottom left and tap on Delete. And that's how we can delete multiple text messages on iPhone. And if you want to delete multiple conversation, again open your Messages apps and tap on Edit at the top left. Tap on Select Messages, and then you'll be able to select multiple chat or conversation. Then tap on Delete, Delete, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.